Yes, okay, dear students. Yesterday I already find out some expand of that some identities. Today let us discuss about that is using some identities expanded. That is a plus b whole cube. Otherwise, a cube minus b cube, a minus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube. Okay, first in your exercise problem, given one problem 99 whole cube. Expand this by using suitable identities. Suitable identities means using best a plus b whole cube. But here given single term 99, you should convert it to binomial term. 99 can be written as like this 100 minus 1 whole cube. Yes, okay. 99 can be 100 minus 1, 99. Because I want, so why you take 100 minus 1? Because I want that the formula a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ, that's why I am taking. So ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ 98 plus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೋದಾ? 98 plus 1, 98 plus 1, 99 can be written as 98 plus 1, 100% right. But expansion is very difficult. A minus b, a plus b whole cube, a cube plus 99 whole cube means 99 into 99 into 99. That's why that is very difficult. That's why you take 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. 100 and the easy you multiply ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. That's why I am taking 100 minus 1. So that is the form of a minus b whole cube. You see, look here. So a minus b in the place of a is equal to 100. So b is equal to 1. So we know that the formula a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. A cube minus b cube minus 3a minus 3ab into a minus b. So in the place of a is equal to 100 whole cube minus b is equal to 1 cube minus 3 into a. A means 100, b means 1 into a means 100, b means 1. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. In the place of a is equal to 100, in the place of b is equal to 1. Okay, so 100 whole cube ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 100 into 100 into 100, 100 into 100 into 100, 6 zeros ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Okay, 100 into 100 into 100. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakhs. So therefore 10 lakhs ಬಂದಿದೆ. 10 lakhs minus 1 cube minus 1 minus 3 into 100 into 1, 300 into 100 minus 1, 99. So 10 lakh, so minus 1 minus 300 into 99, 300 into 99. What is rough work ಮಾಡಿ? You take rough work like this. So 99 into 3 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, 300 ಇರೋದು. So 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 3 9s are 27 plus 2, 29. Therefore 29,700. 29,700. So next 10 lakh, 1 2 3 4 5, 10 lakh minus 1 minus 29,700 minus 29,701. 29 lakh, so 10 lakhs minus 29,701. So therefore, so 10 lakhs minus 29,701 is 97,299. This is result. Okay, very simple problems, but here, so using some identities a minus b whole cube formula. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ರಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. Okay, next problem is 102 whole cube. 102 whole cube. Whole cube means here also you take a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. So as you wish, ನೀವು a plus b ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬಹುದು, a minus b ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬಹುದು. Best according to this problem, a plus b, you take a plus b. A plus b means 100 and you can written as 100 plus 2 whole cube. 100 plus 2 whole cube. This is in the form of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. In the place of a is equal to 100. In the place of b is equal to 2. Apply ಮಾಡಿ. A is equal to what? 100. 100 whole cube plus b 2 whole cube plus 3 into a. A is equal to what? 100. A is equal to 100. B is equal to 2 into a plus b. 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2. 100 whole cube. 100 multiplied by 3 times. 100 into 100 into 100. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, 6 zeros ಆದ್ರೆ 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs plus 2 whole cube means 8. 2 whole cube 8. Okay, 2 whole cube 8 item. Next 3 into plus 3 into 100 300. 300 into 2 600. 600 into 102. 100 plus 2 102. Next 10 lakh. 10 lakh. Yeah, 10 lakh plus 8 plus 600 into 102. ರಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು 102 into 6 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 6 2s are 12 1 601 6 1s are 6 612. In remaining 2 zeros, 2 zeros means like this 61,200. 61,200. Did you understand this one? Very simple. In the place of a is equal to 100, place of b is equal to 2. A cube plus b cube plus 3 a b into a plus b 100 plus 2. 100 whole cube. 100 whole cube 10 lakh. 2 whole cube 8. 3 into 100 600. 3 into 100 300. 300 into 2 600. Okay, otherwise 2 into 100 200. 200 into 3 600. 100 plus 2 102. 100 plus 2 is 102. Next 102 into 600. What is ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ? First 102 into 6 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 6 2s are 12. 6 1 6 1s are 6. Next remaining 2 zeros ಇಲ್ಲಿ add ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 61,200. Next total 10,61,208. ಇದು 10 lakhs. ಇದು 61,000. This is 8. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 10,61,208. 61,208. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. Okay, next problem number 3. 998. 998 can be written as 1000 minus, this is whole cube, 1000 minus 2 whole cube. 1000 ante 1000 minus 2 whole cube. Okay, 998. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ difficult ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಯಾರಿಗೆ. Very easy. So next, in the place of a is equal to 1000, b is equal to 2, same, no problem. So we know that a minus b whole cube is equal to what? A minus b whole cube. A is equal to 1000, b is equal to a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, substitute ಮಾಡಿ a is equal to 1000 whole cube minus b 2 cube minus 3 a 1000 b 2 into a 1000 minus b 2. Simplification ಈಗ. So 1000 whole cube 1000 into 1000 into 1000 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರೆಯೋಣ? ಕ್ರೋರ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 3 zeros ಇದೆ 3 3 3 9 zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yes, that is equal to 1 crores. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 3 ಇದೆ 3 ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 crores 1 crores minus 2 whole cube 8 minus 1000 into 2 2000, otherwise 3 2s are 6 into 1000 6000 into 998 6000 into 998. Okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 crore 10 crores. ಓಕೆ, 100 crores ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಚಿಕನ್ ಈಗ. ಓಕೆ, minus 8 6. look here, 6000 into 998 ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ. 998 into 6 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 6 8s are 48 8 4 carry, 6 9s are 54 58 5 carry, 6 9s are 54 plus 55 54 plus 5 59. So next 3 zeros 59 lakhs 88,000 to write here. 59 lakhs 88,000. Okay, next this is correct. Okay, that is right. Okay, 1 minus 59 lakhs 88,000 and 8 minus this minus 59 lakh 88,000 and 8. Okay, next this minus that 59 lakhs, how much that result? Okay, first you write this. Okay, so next, so 10 crores minus 59 lakhs 88,008 minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, minus that result is 99,401,192. ನೋಡಿ, 9 crores 94 lakhs 11,992. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ರಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ರಫ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಲುಕಿಯರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್.